Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the app screen button from the home screen on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So in order to do that, we're gonna open our settings, click here. Now let's scroll down and select our home screen. Here it is. Press it. Now here you are to find your show app screen button on the home screen. Here it is. So let's click it. Now let's check if something changed. So let's go to our home screen, and as you see, this button is enabled. Now you can click here and your app screen is opened. So just like that. If you want to disable this option, simply go back to your settings, go back to your home screen section, and press on the switch one more time, and now as we see, the button has disappeared. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.